Hi, my name is Cruz Gouveia. I'm a sophomore studying ecology and evolutionary biology here at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville. I'm currently at Temple Hall where the Tennessee Herbarium is located. What started off as a personal project has kind of turned into what you're watching now. I'm an undergraduate research assistant working on the Global TCN project, and I really wanted to demonstrate what tasks go into that. That being from specimen to digitization.
I'm Miranda Zwingelberg. I'm the project manager for the Global Bryophyte and Lichen TCN project. In this instance, TCN stands for Thematic Collections Network, which is a collaboration that is funded by a grant from the National Science Foundation. Estimated that we have about 650,000 specimens. The largest chunk of that is vascular plants, which we estimate to be about 380,000. We have probably around 183,000 bryophytes, 82,000 fungi and lichens, possibly around 3,000 macroalgae specimens, but the truth is we don't really know the exact number, and we won't know until we fully inventory and digitize the collection. So the Tennessee Herbarium is one of 25 herbaria at universities, museums, and botanical gardens located across the United States, and we're working to digitize our bryophyte and lichen specimens. As a lead institution, we here at Tennessee are also responsible for making sure the whole team is communicating, meeting our goals, and completing our reporting.
So digitization starts with barcoding, in which a unique barcode sticker is attached to each specimen, or in the case that they've already been barcoded, we scan them to create a list of barcode numbers used to reference each specimen image. Then each packet is photographed using a digital camera, and we photograph the outside with all the collection information that's on the outside. And then open up the packet, photograph the inside so we can document each specimen itself and any other internal labels that are also within inside the packet. Those images undergo post-processing, so either cropping or adjusting the lighting, because sometimes it can be too bright or it's just too saturated. And they undergo process to being uploaded to the bryophyte or lichen portals, which these are the public online databases. The next step is called transcription. That involves typing information from the label images, like the person who collected the specimen, when and where it was collected, its scientific names, into the respective fields on the database. This makes information searchable by any interested researcher, educator, or student around the world. One of the last steps in the digitization process is georeferencing each specimen's collection site using Google Earth. And this is really interesting because we're able to see the estimated area and environment that they were collected in. Especially if you go on the website and look at any specimen and click the little Earth. It's really cool to see a rough area that it was collected in, where the specimen calls home.
So bryophytes are small, non-vascular plants, meaning they lack the specialized tissues to transport water, minerals, and sugars that you'll see in trees and other vascular plants. The bryophytes include mosses, which most people are familiar with, but also two lesser-known groups called liverworts and hornworts. Lichens are a composite organism made up of a fungus living together with cyanobacteria or algae. While in totally different kingdoms, both bryophytes and lichens play very important roles in ecosystems around the world. They can act as miniature forests and are home to a wide range of invertebrates and microorganisms, and they can help us answer a lot of interesting research questions about symbiosis, nutrient cycling, and the evolution of biodiversity.
I just want to take a second to give a huge thank you to Jessica Budke, as collaboration with the Global TCN project with the Tennessee Herbarium would have not been possible without her. I also want to take a second to give a huge shout out and thank you to Miranda Zwingelberg and Margaret Oliver. They have supported me through this entire process, allowing me to have some creative freedom when it comes to just this entire video making process, and have allowed me to share it with you watching for the We Dig Bio event, which is honestly an honor. I don't have any previous experience with filmmaking, editing, animating, audio recording, none of that, but it started out as that here. Again, I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone watching, so thank you so much. Let's go We Dig Bio.